and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a step back in time to a significant moment in history. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're diving into the fascinating story of how NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, began its journey 65 years ago. It's a story that changed the course of space exploration forever. In 1958, October 1st marked the inception of NASA. President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act in July of that year, creating NASA in response to Soviet advancements in space exploration. Keith Glennon and Hugh L. Dryden were sworn in as NASA's first administrators, and this marked the dawn of a new era. Now, here's the fascinating part. The transition from the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, to NASA was remarkably seamless. 8,000 NACA employees went home on September 30th as NACA employees and returned to work on October 1st as NASA employees, with no major disruption to their daily routines. On that historic October 1st, Keith Glennon addressed the 170-member headquarters staff in the courtyard of the Dolly Madison House in Washington, D.C., which served as NASA's first headquarters. In those early days, NASA's first missions were groundbreaking. The agency was tasked with exploring the vast unknown of space, and it wasted no time. From Pioneer 1 to Pioneer 4, NASA's missions paved the way for future space exploration. NASA's early years involved the incorporation of 3 large research laboratories and 2 small test facilities from NACA. But the agency's growth didn't stop there. By the end of 1958, NASA had absorbed elements from other agencies, increasing its workforce and budget significantly. President Eisenhower entrusted NASA with the monumental responsibility of developing America's human spaceflight program. NASA inherited 2 top priority projects, one focused on creating a spacecraft for human space travel, and the other involving the development of a powerful rocket engine. The formation of the Space Task Group, STG, in November 1958 was a crucial step in NASA's mission to send humans into space. Robert R. Gilruth was named project manager, and Charles J. Donlin became his assistant. They released the specifications for the crew capsule and selected the McDonnell Aircraft Corporation to develop it. Project Mercury was officially born. NASA's first human spaceflight program, Project Mercury, was a monumental step. It was about sending a single human into space and ensuring their safe return to Earth. To accomplish this, NASA selected 7 exceptional astronauts, known as the Mercury 7. These brave individuals were tasked with becoming pioneers in human space travel. The second major project involved developing a massive rocket engine with 1.5 million pounds of thrust. NASA selected the Rocketdyne Division of North American Aviation to develop the F-1 engine, which would later power the iconic Saturn V moon rocket. One of the most iconic achievements of NASA's early years was the development colossal rocket was created to propel astronauts to the moon, and it would later become synonymous with the Apollo missions. The development of this engineering marvel was a testament to NASA's dedication and ambition. NASA inherited satellite programs from other agencies. Pioneer 1, launched on October 11, 1958, became part of a lunar orbiter program. Although it didn't reach its intended destination due to a rocket malfunction, it reached a record altitude and provided valuable scientific data about the Van Allen radiation belts. As NASA continued to expand its horizons, it launched numerous missions to explore our solar system. From the Mariner missions to the Viking landers on Mars, NASA's efforts provided us with valuable insights into the planets and celestial bodies within our cosmic neighborhood. Pioneer 4, launched in March 1959, missed the moon but became the first American spacecraft to enter solar orbit. These early missions set the stage for NASA's incredible journey into space exploration. Arguably, NASA's most iconic moment came on July 20th, 1969, when the Apollo 11 mission successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the moon. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, were Armstrong's famous words as he took humanity's first steps on the lunar surface. This achievement marked a historic milestone in human exploration. In the 1970s, NASA continued to push boundaries. Skylab, America's first space station, became home to astronauts for extended periods. Later, the Space Shuttle program transformed space travel by allowing astronauts to launch, repair satellites, and conduct experiments in orbit. These innovations laid the foundation for more extensive human presence in space. One of NASA's most renowned projects is the Hubble Space Telescope, which was launched in 1990. Hubble has provided breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and stars, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. In 1998, NASA joined forces with multiple international partners to build the International Space Station, ISS. This incredible orbiting laboratory has hosted astronauts continuously since the early 2000s and has led to groundbreaking scientific research in microgravity. Over the decades, NASA has achieved remarkable milestones. They've sent probes to explore every planet in our solar system, landed humans on the moon, built a space station for permanent human presence in space, and are now gearing up to return astronauts to the moon. As we fast forward to today, NASA is actively preparing for the next chapter in space exploration. The Artemis program aims to return astronauts to the moon and establish a sustainable presence there. Meanwhile, Mars exploration continues, with rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance searching for signs of past or present life on the red planet. its history, NASA has been at the forefront of advancing space technology. The development of cutting-edge spacecraft, such as the Space Shuttle and the Mars rovers, has been instrumental in furthering our understanding of the cosmos. These technological advancements have paved the way for more extensive exploration and have enabled us to reach new heights in space. In addition to the Hubble Space Telescope, NASA has launched various other space telescopes that have provided us with astonishing views of the universe. Telescopes like the Spitzer Space Telescope and the Kepler Space Observatory have expanded our knowledge of distant stars, planets, and galaxies. They've given us insights into the formation of new planetary systems and the search for potentially habitable exoplanets. While NASA is known for its space missions, it also plays a critical role in Earth science. The agency conducts research and launches satellites to monitor our planet's climate, weather, and environmental changes. These efforts have significantly contributed to our understanding of climate change and its effects on Earth. NASA has a rich history of international collaboration. The agency has partnered with space agencies from around the world, working together on various missions and sharing knowledge and resources. These collaborations have not only strengthened global space exploration but also fostered diplomatic ties among nations. As we look ahead, NASA's vision extends to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program, which aims to return astronauts to the Moon, is a stepping stone for future missions to the Red Planet. NASA's goal is to send humans to Mars, marking the next giant leap in our journey through the cosmos. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of NASA's incredible journey, from its early days to its pioneering missions, technological breakthroughs, and its ongoing quest to unlock the secrets of the universe. NASA's 65-year history is a testament to human innovation, determination, and the insatiable curiosity that propels us toward the stars. As we've seen, NASA's story is a saga of exploration, discovery, and collaboration. It's a journey that continues to inspire generations and instill a sense of wonder about the cosmos. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into NASA's history, don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more captivating content. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary voyage through time, space, and the boundless universe. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue our exploration of the fascinating stories that shape our world.